your world-leading CDMO. Together, delivering life-changing therapies. Moving beyond the hospital setting, a shift to self-administration, a new level of patient centricity, drug-device combination products, powered by science. It is complex. It is highly technological. It is transformative. Ultimate precision, laser-like alignment, measurement, monitoring, and testing. Supreme ISO standard accuracy. Advanced drug-device combination products. Better health outcomes through adherence, compliance, convenience, enhancing the home healthcare experience, where human factors and advanced packaging engineering combine to produce safe self-administration solutions. As your world-leading CDMO, we anticipated and responded and became the trusted market leader, safeguarding patients. Advanced prefilled syringes, autoinjectors, pens, on-body devices, needle safety devices, from small clinical scale to commercial launch, the only CDMO in the world providing the complete workflow. From multiple global locations, our regulatory record is exceptional. Our safety is superior, from rare diseases to global blockbusters, whether 3 or 300 parts per minute. With complete drug-device combination capabilities, 20 final assembly and packaging lines, 20,000 cold chain storage pallet capacity and expanding. Our vision is focused. Critical areas: oncology, rare disease, expanding access in autoimmune, transforming healthcare and patients' lives. We are trusted. We are proven. We are unique. We are your world-leading CDMO. Together, delivering life-changing therapies. Let's talk future.